Build a preventive maintenance checklist. Once your preventive maintenance plan is in motion, it's important to prioritize inspection and keep an eye on the numbers. It is essential to have a preventive maintenance checklist that helps you to consistently track KPIs, such as mean time to repair, planned maintenance percentage and mean time between failures. Analyzing these stats and comparing them to pre-planned numbers should give you a good idea of how your program is impacting the efficiency of your maintenance operation. Be sure to use your CMMS dashboards and analytics tools to help with this.